the rolling trick that will help you remove your eye makeup. For many of us, applying makeup isn't the hard part. After a whole lot of trial and error, it almost becomes part of our muscle memory where we can do it without putting too much thought into it. However, one thing that never seems to get easier with time is the painstaking process of makeup removal. After a tiring day at work or a fun night out, you have to stare at yourself in the mirror and repeatedly rub a makeup removal pad against your face, only to find minimal scraps of concealer and foundation coming off. Most of the time, we're too tired to take the time to be thorough, and we get as much as we can before vowing to take the rest off the next morning. While this struggle is real for your entire face, no body part feels the pain quite as much as your eyes. Eye makeup generally is a lot more stubborn, and the skin around your eyes is very gentle. As you roughly rub on your eyelid, you not only hurt the skin but also build up uncomfortable pressure on your eyeball. All in all, it's not a pleasant experience, and you probably dread the time you have to get to it. But there are a couple of ways you can make it far more pleasant, and possibly even faster. One such easy to follow and simple hack is the rolling method. Being gentle with your eye makeup is better for you. You may be pleased to know that scrubbing your eye makeup off isn't part of the solution, but is actually counterproductive to it. Licensed esthetician and makeup artist Audie Kempler warned PureWow against the ill effects of being too rough with the process, noting, "The skin around the eyes is already more prone to fine lines, thinning, and aging, so it's important to be super gentle in this area." While being gentle is your best bet, it can be hard to follow through with it because of just how stubborn eye makeup often is. Arguably, one of the hardest spots to get makeup off is your eyelashes. No matter how hard you try, your mascara always hangs on for dear life because of its resilient formulation. But the rolling hack that skincare expert Preeti Luthra shared can make the whole process considerably easier. Apply the makeup remover onto a cotton pad and gently roll it along your lashes to dissolve the mascara, she instructed. You can also use a clean spoolie brush to comb through your lashes and remove any remaining clumps. This technique works especially well for mascara. For other stubborn products, apply some makeup remover onto your eyes using a cotton pad and let it soak in for a bit before wiping it off. This will give the formulation enough time to work its magic and make the process a lot easier for you. Follow these expert tips for easy eye makeup removal. A common mistake many make with eye makeup removal is using a facial cleanser. When you rub regular facial cleanser or wash on the sensitive skin around your eyes, you risk drying it out and causing irritation. While speaking to Cosmopolitan, dermatologist Dr. Francesca Fusco explained, "The worst thing you can do is dry out the skin around your eyes. Since you can get lichenification, which is when the skin looks lined or almost a little leathery. Then, when you put your eyeshadow on, it doesn't deposit evenly and catches in all the nooks and crannies." To avoid this, stick to cotton pads paired with a gentle makeup remover, or use makeup remover wipes and finish with your trusty moisturizer. To make the process kinder, go for a makeup remover with a gentle active ingredient like nourishing oils or rose water. If you feel your skin tingle or burn after a test application, it's not the right fit. To keep hydration intact, you can also incorporate a cleansing balm into your routine. For many, the most challenging part of removing eye makeup correctly is perfecting the motion. Dr. Fusco has an easy-to-follow method that should make the whole process easier. Swipe gently across your lash line, moving from the inner corner of your eyes outward. She elaborated, then go back to the inner corner and make short downward motions, following your lashes across your eye until you reach the outer corner.